we just put this together like just now. So check it out.
You trying to get a photo?
This is my shoddy. Oh yeah. Sheesh.
Okay.
It looks nice. Hi, this is Ty, and this is my bike check. So we're gonna get started with the top here. We got the Edwin grips animal. Super good, super comfy, last forever. And then bars, we have the Colt Crew bars.
Cut them down real quick.
I was thinking, I was like, damn, should I say anything about the bars? Because like I haven't even ridden these. And then below that, we got the Colt Crew bars. I actually did cut these a little bit, some notches. They come pre-notched, but we're trying to save some weight.
Yeah,
Below that, we have the Animal Highline stem. What are these called? Cold heads. Connected to the Ricani frame. This actually just came out, and we just put this together like just now. So super hyped on it. Thank you to Colt. Thanks to Kings as well and Animal. I appreciate you all. Back to the forks, we have the Colt IC, I believe they're called. They're definitely 18 offset, a little steep. I was running 24, so we're gonna see how these go. It should be fun. And then we have two Colt D-Hearts on, this one is actually a Cinema to Cinema. The back one is Colt to Cinema. Let's see, we got all 4 Colt butters. Really nice pegs, honestly. Slide really good. Started on metal pegs, honestly, and then the plastic, I don't know. I kind of just grew on it, and they last, I don't know, decent. These are Chase Hawk, or Colt Chase Hawk cranks. I believe they're 22 bottom bracket, 22 bottom bracket. Yeah, they're gonna last forever. Laced to the Rat Trap pedals by Animal, the best pedals ever. The grip is phenomenal. Sprocket wise, I think it's like the Fiend JJ sprocket. It's cool looking, it's a little trippy on the inside. Chain wise, I have a Colt half link chain. So my seat, I have a leather or pleather, no.
100% fake.
I have like a leather Colt seat and seat post. We won't say that name. I'm really hyped on this. Just built it up, like I said before. Again, thank you to Kings, Animal, and Colt for this build. I appreciate you all, and I am very grateful.
Talk about how ugly that stem is.
How ugly that stem is. Honestly, I like this stem a lot. Oh, fuck, grease.